Hey James, Albert here. Appreciate the picture here. All right, so this is what we're gonna have you do. Um, so if you see here, um, so what we recommend is for each individual product here. I know it's basically the same product, and you're upselling um, the time, but um, they are individual products, right? So they're individual. It's single, and then you got your three, and then you got your package here. Um, right? So basically, what you need to do is leave this one here. You can keep this one, and then change these other two. Um, they each individually need a separate SKU number. Okay, excuse me. That's what's causing the issue. All right, so that's the first thing that we need to have you do. Okay. All right. Now the next thing you need to do once you update this in your Shopify account. Okay, once you do this and you update these two so that you have three completely different SKU numbers, all right, go ahead and come back into your account here, go to your product, go to your shipping. All right, now I'm not going to save anything, okay, but you'll need to do this. You'll need to go in and turn this off, go and select that off, hit save, okay, and then go ahead and come back out of the funnel. Oh, sorry about that. Give me 1 second here. So basically what you're going to do is go back out to the main portion of your funnel pages, okay? All right, give me 1 second here. There we go. Come back out to here, all right? What you're doing is you're basically jolting the data in the background that is cached, right? That's basically saved in the background, all the cookies. You're turning all that off, and then by coming back out, you're jolting that data to kind of readjust, right? All right, then you're going to come back in. Sorry, not to this page here. Go back into your products. All right, and then go back in. And I do this for each one. Come back in, select this back on. It's on right now because I didn't save anything, okay? Select this back on, make your selection, right? And then come back down here and then make your selection here, all right? And then resave it, okay? And then do the same thing for each of your products, okay? So come back in here, go to the next one. All right, basically what you're doing is you're forcing the system to update to disconnect and then reconnect to the API for the shipping, right? And then it's going to read over the API connection and go find that SKU number, all right, that's updated. Okay, so you're going to do the same thing for each one. All right, so we're attempting to try to make this, to force this to readjust to find the correct SKU number, okay? Right, so it looks like, see, this one doesn't even have the SKU number because that initial product, you have the same SKU number and it's all basically filtering under this one because the SKU number is the same, right? So now by changing the SKU number, so this one has one, this, and these two have separate SKU numbers, right? So each product has to have a separate SKU number, okay? So this is what you're doing, all right? So go ahead and change it, change these, update it in your account, save it, your Shopify, come in here, come to your product, and go through that process, okay? And again, we'll just go over that one more time. Go to your shipping, turn this off, select it off, save it, leave your funnel, come back out, all right? Then go back to the products, go to the next one, and same thing, right? Turn this off, save it, all right, go back out. And then for each one, go back in, turn this back on, make your selection, and then select the correct SKU and product, okay? All right, try that. Let me know if that works. That should jolt it to release the catch data. All right, that's because basically right now this is all catched under this SKU number for all three products. Okay. All right, do that and get back to me. Let me know if that works for you. Okay.